With the series tied, it's game number 5 from our nation's capital. Inside Capital One Arena, the Carolina Hurricanes and the Washington Capitals.
TJ Oshie is out, replaced by Devante Smith-Pelly. Oshie injured in game 4.
Singled out Kuznetsov. Really need a lot more from their so-called second-line center.
Jonas Siegenthaler out in front, off the stick and off Mrazek. Tom Wilson in the dead slot. Washington 3 for 15 in the series.
And game number 4, Ovechkin with a howitzer.
Out in front, forked wide. Backstrom on the doorstep. They reorganize. Carlson a bomb. Swallowed by Mrazek without rebound.
Everybody thought Ovechkin was going to shoot it, and it goes to Nicholas Backstrom, who just heals it and misses it to the short side.
Evgeny Kuznetsov, who's been relatively quiet in the series, will dump it in. He'll get to it. Take it to the outside and wind it along for Backstrom. To the slot. Connolly shot, body down by Mrazek.
Hit him in the mask.
Devante Smith-Pelly will get it deep. He just recalled from Hershey of the American Hockey League. What a hit. A heavy hit on Nino Niederreiter by Devante Smith-Pelly.
Didn't take Devante Smith-Pelly long to show everybody that he wants to stay in Washington.
Reed by Slavin. Give it right back to Ovechkin, who lost his balance. Here come the Caps. Tom Wilson pulls up through the slot. Carlson far side. Mrazek can't get it. They score on the rebound. Nicholas Backstrom follows up his own shot. Washington off and running.
Puck comes over to Backstrom. He takes one whack at it, comes right back at him. Good hand-eye coordination, stays with it. Puts the second one in. A big goal for the Caps.
Mrazek went post to post after a great look from John Carlson. Backstrom sticking to it. That his team leading 4th goal of the postseason.
Everyone's got to take their game to a higher level to replace a guy like that. Thanks a lot, Todd. Thanks, Pierre.
So far, so good for his team here in game number 5. A steal. Aho on the spot. Kicked out by Holtby. Comes all the way back down. Along the board, Smith-Pelly throws hard at Patrick Brown. To the slot, a shot. What a stop, Mrazek off Chandler Stevenson.
Good quick play by Dowd and a tremendous stop by Mrazek.
Smith-Pelly, Dowd, and Chandler Stevenson whips one on goal. Peter Mrazek, very athletic with the right pad, Eddie and John.
And 20 minutes have been completed here in game number 5. Washington with a 1-0 lead. Off for Nick Dowd. Pinching in, Jensen broken up. Here come the Canes out to center. Jordan Staal pulls up, lays it across through the slot, knocked down by Brett Pesce. Pesce, a centering pass, sent wide by Foegele. He and Williams out in front.
A rolling puck again for Carolina, right in front of Braden Holtby.
And that's the guy that's so good down low. Warren Foegele in this series been outstanding right there on the crease.
With a final push on this power play, Justin Williams separated from it by Jensen. Now Brooks Orpik. Eluding Eller, held in, Slavin a shot, tipped, knocked down Jensen. Good work on Aho.
Might have to play with all the injuries that he's got.
Out to center. Look out. Here comes Ovechkin. Across for Vrana. Skate to stick. Mrazek got in the way.
Carlson jumps in. He was calling for the puck into the skates of Vrana.
Tough pass for Vrana. Mrazek is clearly out of the blue paint, trying to avoid the contact.
They've been held without a shot in the last 2. Let's see here. Falk now. Moved off for Aho. Williams. He'll look it over. Diagonally across. Justin Falk. Here it comes. Caught by Holtby.
That's too easy.
Aho. Low to high. Falk again. Teuvo Teravainen. Justin Falk. Aho calling his shot. Body down by Holtby. The rebound. He took care of it. Off his own man.
That puck was going over to Teravainen, and there you see Wilson coming all the way across. Off the skate of Niederreiter, and then the save by Wilson.
The series tied at 2. Hamilton gets to it. Foegele outside the line. Even terms on the ice. Alex Ovechkin moves in. Lays it across. Wide open. They score! Nicholas Backstrom with his second.
Carolina goes for a change. And the puck ends up in the back of the net. And I look right over at the Carolina bench. And Rod Brind'Amour was not happy. And Foegele was smashing his stick onto the bench area floor. What a shot there by Backstrom.
Washington only 2 shots in the second. That's the first one from a forward. And the second goal tonight by Nicholas Backstrom. Siegenthaler for Backstrom, who has the 2 goals here in Game 5. It goes by Ovechkin, and it comes all the way back down.
Carolina thought it was icing.
Sure did. Ovechkin gets it, a chance. They score! Brett Conley, 3-0, Washington.
Dougie Hamilton didn't want to pay the price, and instead his team just did. He heard Ovechkin coming, and he could not have pulled up anymore. Ovechkin grabs the puck and centers it, and the Capitals with a commanding 3-0 lead here in Game 5.
Jensen carried in now. Stevenson pokes it along. Pesce turned over. Vrana from Stevenson to the slot. Right in. Kuznetsov! Mrazek sprawls out and gets in the way. Now Vrana.
Mrazek with a acrobatic stop.
Carlson a bomb blocked in front of Stinger. Right off Pesce.
Yeah, that's going to hurt.
Great keep by Carlson in front. Kuznetsov, what a save, and the chance scores! Tom Wilson got to the loose change. Power play goal. They do it. 4-0 Washington.
Pesce, unfortunately for him, the left skate does the work.
Had their largest crowd ever in Game 4. 19,202. Backstrom with a shot absorbed, and it leaks through, but it was blown dead as Mrazek tied it up. Trevor Van Riemsdyk moves it out. Saku Manalainen. Manalainen over the line now for Brock McGinn. He'll tee it up. Stopped by Hopi. He's got it. 9 minutes gone in the third. He'll get to the outside. Defended by Jensen. Washington swings out. Look out. Here they come. Nick Dowd. He's in. Off the post. We'll see what happens. Penalty shot. 1-on-1 with Mrazek. He scores.
The fake. Mrazek opens up the legs, and once that happens, no chance for him to recover. So again, the quick little stick handle, one move. You don't stick handle yourself into submission. The reaction from the fourth line center and the bench. Boy, that fourth line has been good for Todd Reardon here.
Washington back to the power play. Ovechkin scores! What a bomb! Alex Ovechkin, 6-0.
Face-off win. Ovechkin with the stick ready. Mrazek down, and Ovechkin goes top shelf.
There's no goalie stopping that one, not when he's shooting it.
Along the boards, DeHaan shoved by Eller. 2-on-1. Conley with Burakovsky. Van Riemsdyk back. Burakovsky sends it high. Falk in the way. Conley on him. Washington staying on good habits. Out to center. Lead pass. Button hook by Teravainen. Patrick Brown through the middle. Turned out. Good save by Braden Holtby with it when the game was within striking distance.
The door was open for him to at least get some momentum.
Short side chance denied by Holtby. It squirts out, and it's dumped out. A total team effort in game number 5. And a 6-0 win over the Carolina Hurricanes.
Carolina got off the ice like they were being chased by wild animals. They could not get out of here fast enough, and now will have to regroup themselves, much as Washington had to. After a bad beat in Game 3, a better game but still a loss in Game 4, the Capitals have now won all 3 games on home ice.